Hi, today we will add an animated model into our Unreal Engine setting. So I have here a really simple animation, which is a car just turning around a circle. One of the main issues with the models in 3ds Max and the importing options in Unreal Engine is that you need to have either four-sided polygons or triangles in your model. That's why I had to add a modifier to my file, because in 3ds Max at some point you will have polygons that are have more sides than 4, and such kind of polygons are not you cannot use them in Unreal Engine. So these should be like unified. For example, I have this car model which has like different sizes of polygons which would be quite problematic. Therefore, I need to use subdivide modifier. And this will, for example, just produce triangles, so I can use it in my Unreal Engine settings. So this is one of the things that I need to care about. I have this animation here, which is this car going around this circle. I could also animate in Unreal Engine, but as we are not really able to use it that efficient in our computers, I would suggest that you do your animations here and then just export them into your Unreal Engine scene. So I will going to select the objects I would like to export. I need to go to File and Export, and Export selected. This would be like my animated car. I need to use the Alembic file, which is the ABC file, and I will just export it onto my desktop. It will ask you if you are going to use the whole segments. Yes, because I need to have the animation. And it will also export the UVs, the normals, and material IDs, etc. So if you have adjusted them in 3ds Max, you will probably also find them on Unreal Engine as well. So I'm exporting this, and I will also later on open the Unreal Engine. I had several projects that I was using, so I will select one of them. But of course, you can also create a new project and then add your animated objects to there. So I have a scene like this here. So I have like a couple of other objects in my scene as well. I will need to import my object into my content. So there are several files which will be, maybe the props will be the right place for me to import my animated car. I right click here and go to import to game or content. I select from my desktop the animated car. I open it. As I need to use it as an animated object, I need to select the skeletal option. And here also it says that the starting point is frame 0 and the end point is frame 250, and I will import it. So I have these 3 options here, and I need to select this one, which is the animated car animation. And I put it into my scene, which is actually this small car here. I need to also adjust the axis of the car, and then also the position of it. I'm not really seeing the car because I haven't built the light. So when I build the light, I hope I will see my car as well. So I built the lights, and probably I will see my scene as well. So here's my car. It's quite a nice way to add more life to your scene. It's not just static objects that you are seeing. You can also add animations to your Unreal scenes. And for me, the materials were not working, so I had to add them from these materials. So I just pulled this one and put onto my object, which will be then add the material of my car. So I guess you can also add some small animations to your Unreal scene, and it would be more lively. Thank you.